Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for elevating your outdoor living spaces. Today, we delve into a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of landscape architecture, the art and science of garden fencing design ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment, or hit the like button and sharing it with your friends and family. Greetings, fellow gardening enthusiasts, and welcome back to Garden Decor Designs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of raised vegetable garden boxes, a fantastic solution for cultivating your favorite vegetables with ease and style. If you've ever considered simplifying your gardening efforts while enhancing your outdoor space, you're in the right place. Let's explore everything you need to know about these versatile gardening structures. A raised vegetable garden box, in its essence, is a contained planting area elevated above the existing ground level. Think of it as a large, bottomless container, constructed from various materials like wood, metal, or composite. These structures are typically filled with nutrient-rich soil and compost, creating an optimal environment for vegetable growth. Unlike traditional in-ground gardening, raised beds offer a defined space, improved drainage, and often easier access for planting, tending, and harvesting. They essentially bring the garden closer to you, both literally and figuratively, offering a more controlled and manageable gardening experience. Now that we understand what they are, let's delve into the compelling advantages of choosing a raised vegetable garden box. The benefits of opting for a raised vegetable garden box are numerous and cater to a wide range of gardening needs and preferences. For starters, they offer improved soil quality. You have complete control over the soil composition, allowing you to create the perfect blend for your vegetables, free from the compacted or poor native soil often found in yards. Secondly, drainage is significantly enhanced. The elevated structure allows excess water to drain away easily, preventing waterlogging and root rot, common issues in traditional gardens. Furthermore, raised beds can extend your growing season. The soil in a raised bed warms up faster in the spring, allowing for earlier planting, and they can also be easily covered to protect plants from early frosts. Weed control is another major advantage, as the defined space and fresh soil reduce the intrusion of unwanted weeds. Beyond the practical benefits, raised beds can also offer easier accessibility, reducing the strain on your back and knees, making gardening more enjoyable for individuals of all ages and physical abilities. Finally, they offer a fantastic opportunity to organize your garden space and add an element of design and structure to your outdoor area. Beyond their practicality, raised vegetable garden boxes can be stunning additions to your landscape. So, how can you decorate your raised vegetable garden box to look truly beautiful? Transforming your raised vegetable garden box into a visually appealing feature is all about creativity and personal style. Consider incorporating decorative edging. Materials like natural stone, brick, or even woven willow can add texture and visual interest to the borders of your beds. Adding trellises or obelisks not only supports climbing plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans, but also introduces vertical elements and visual height. Think about incorporating companion planting with colorful flowers like marigolds or nasturtiums amongst your vegetables. They attract beneficial insects and add vibrant hues. You can also paint or stain your wooden boxes in colors that complement your home or garden decor. Don't overlook the power of pathways around your raised beds. Using gravel, stepping stones, or mulch can create a defined and attractive space. Consider adding small decorative elements like garden gnomes, wind chimes, or solar lights to inject personality. For a more integrated look, think about grouping different-sized boxes together to create varying heights and visual flow. You could also incorporate seating nearby, such as a small bench or a few decorative stones, to create a welcoming and functional area. Finally, consistent maintenance, keeping the beds tidy and the surrounding area neat, will significantly enhance their aesthetic appeal. The longevity and aesthetic of your raised garden bed heavily depend on the materials you choose. So, What are the best materials for constructing a raised vegetable garden box? Selecting the right materials for your raised vegetable garden box is crucial for its durability, safety for your plants, and overall appearance. Untreated wood, such as cedar or redwood, is a popular choice due to its natural resistance to rot and pests. However, even these will eventually degrade over time. Pressure-treated lumber is another option, but it's essential to choose varieties treated with newer, safer methods and consider using a liner to prevent direct soil contact, although opinions on its safety for vegetable gardens vary. Metal, particularly galvanized steel or aluminum, offers excellent durability and resistance to rust and decay, often lasting for many years. Composite materials, made from recycled plastic and wood fibers, are low maintenance and long-lasting, resisting rot, insects, and fading. Concrete blocks or bricks create sturdy and long-lasting beds, but can be more labor-intensive to install. Woven materials like willow or bamboo offer a natural and attractive look, but tend to have a shorter lifespan. When making your decision, consider your budget, the desired aesthetic, the size and shape of your beds, and the expected lifespan of the materials. Ensure that any treated materials are safe for vegetable gardening to avoid potential contamination. Tune and why. Spark your creativity and provide some practical inspiration. Here are 10 fantastic raised vegetable garden box ideas to consider for your own garden. One, simple wooden boxes. These are the workhorses of the raised bed world. Typically constructed from planks of untreated wood like cedar, redwood, or even fir, joined at the corners, they offer a straightforward and adaptable solution for growing a wide variety of vegetables. Their beauty lies in their simplicity, allowing the vibrant colors and textures of your plants to take center stage. You can easily customize their size and shape to fit your available space and needs. Consider adding a simple trim or corner brackets for a touch of visual interest. Over time, the wood will weather naturally, adding to their rustic charm. 2. Tiered raised beds. Imagine a verdant staircase of edible delights. Tiered raised beds involve constructing multiple planting levels, often decreasing in size as they ascend. This design is not only visually striking but also incredibly practical. The different levels can accommodate plants with varying root depths and sunlight requirements. The upper tiers are perfect for herbs and shallow-rooted vegetables, while the lower, deeper sections can house larger plants like tomatoes and peppers. Tiered beds maximize planting space in smaller areas and add a dynamic focal point to your garden. 3. Corner raised beds. Those often neglected corners of your yard can become surprisingly productive and beautiful with corner raised beds. Typically triangular or L-shaped, these beds are designed to snugly fit into these angles, transforming previously unused space into thriving mini gardens. They are ideal for smaller gardens or for adding dedicated planting areas without disrupting the overall flow of your landscape. Consider planting vining crops along the edges to soften the angles and add a touch of cascading greenery. 4. Keyhole gardens. Originating in Africa, keyhole gardens are a testament to sustainable and efficient gardening. Their defining feature is a central composting basket. Organic waste placed in this basket slowly decomposes, providing a constant source of nutrients directly to the surrounding soil. The keyhole shape allows easy access to all parts of the bed for planting and harvesting. These gardens are not only productive, but also excellent for water conservation, as the decomposing material helps retain moisture. They offer a unique and eco-conscious approach to raised bed gardening. 5. Pallet wood raised beds. For the resourceful and eco-minded gardener, repurposed wooden pallets offer a fantastic and budget-friendly way to create raised beds. By carefully disassembling and reconstructing the pallets, you can build rustic and charming planting containers. The weathered wood often adds a unique character to the garden. It's crucial to select untreated pallets that haven't been exposed to harmful chemicals to ensure the safety of your vegetables. With a little creativity, you can create various shapes and sizes, adding a touch of upcycled artistry to your outdoor space. 6. Metal stock tank beds. Embracing a modern industrial aesthetic, galvanized steel stock tanks offer exceptional durability and a unique visual appeal as raised garden beds. Originally designed for livestock watering, these tanks are incredibly sturdy and resistant to rust and decay, promising years of gardening enjoyment. Their deep sides are ideal for growing root vegetables, and their metallic sheen adds a contemporary edge to any garden design. Ensure you drill drainage holes in the bottom before filling with soil. 7. Woven willow or hazel beds. For a truly natural and whimsical touch, consider raised beds crafted from woven willow or hazel branches. These create beautiful textured enclosures that blend seamlessly with natural landscapes. The organic, curves and earthy tones add a cottage garden charm. While they may not be as long-lasting as some other materials, their unique aesthetic and sustainable nature make them a delightful choice for a more temporary or decorative raised bed. 8. Vertical pallet gardens. While not traditional boxes, vertical pallet gardens offer an ingenious solution for small spaces and add a striking vertical element to your garden design. By modifying a wooden pallet with landscape fabric or small containers, you can create multiple planting pockets for herbs, strawberries, lettuce, and other smaller vegetables. These living walls are perfect for balconies, patios, or small backyards, maximizing your growing potential in limited areas and adding a unique green feature to your outdoor decor. 9. Cinderblock raised beds. Offering both affordability and durability, cinder blocks can be easily stacked to create sturdy and customizable raised garden beds. Their modular nature allows you to create beds of various shapes and sizes with minimal effort. You can even get creative by painting the blocks or filling their hollow centers with soil to create additional planting pockets for smaller plants or herbs, adding an extra layer of functionality and visual interest. 10. Self-watering raised beds. For the busy gardener or those in drier climates, self-watering raised beds offer a significant advantage. These innovative designs typically incorporate a water reservoir at the bottom, separated from the soil by a platform. Water wicks up into the soil as needed, providing consistent moisture to the plants and reducing the frequency of manual watering. This not only saves time and water, but also promotes healthier plant growth by preventing both overwatering and underwatering. They are an investment that can pay off in terms of convenience and plant health. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the world of raised vegetable garden boxes. From understanding their purpose and benefits to exploring decorative ideas and material choices, we hope this guide has empowered you to elevate your gardening journey. Remember, creating a raised vegetable garden is not just about growing food. It's about enhancing your outdoor space and connecting with nature in a meaningful way. We'd love to hear about your experiences with raised garden beds. Share your thoughts, questions, and even pictures of your own creations in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring gardening tips and design ideas. Happy gardening!